Welcome to our PSU Showdown. Today, we're comparing two power supplies, the budget-friendly Thermaltake Smart 700W and the high-end CORSAIR RM850x. We'll dive into their specifications, performance, and features to help you make an informed decision for your next build. When it comes to wattage, the CORSAIR RM850x leads with an impressive 850 watts, making it suitable for high-performance systems. In contrast, the Thermaltake Smart 700W offers a more modest 700 watts, which may limit its usability for more demanding builds. If you're planning on using multiple components that require higher power, the RM850x is the clear choice. Another critical factor is modularity. The CORSAIR RM850x features a fully modular design, allowing users to connect only the cables they need, which greatly enhances cable management and airflow within the case. On the other hand, the Thermaltake Smart 700W is non-modular, meaning all cables are fixed, which can lead to a cluttered setup. For those who prioritize a clean build, the RM850x is the better option. Efficiency is another area where the CORSAIR RM850x shines with its 80+ Gold certification, indicating superior energy efficiency and lower power consumption. In contrast, the Thermaltake Smart 700W holds an 80+ White certification, which is decent but not as efficient. This difference can lead to lower electricity bills and less heat generation over time, making the RM850x a more appealing choice for energy-conscious users. In conclusion, while both power supplies have their merits, the CORSAIR RM850x stands out for its higher wattage, fully modular design, and better efficiency. If you're looking for a reliable power supply that can handle high-performance systems, the RM850x is worth the investment. However, if you're on a budget and need a reliable power source for basic setups, the Thermaltake Smart 700W is a solid choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.